Now we will discuss about different branches of software development. First one is software engineering or architecting. Software architect means the person who designed the software. I talked about design phase. I think you can understand it. I spoke about design phase. Under the design phase, software architect is define the scope or structure in the software. He should be the super solid person of the domain. He should know ins and outs in the technical way. Software engineer is the basic role who is starting for the coding. So this is one branch of software development. You can join for a software company as a software engineer and move towards an architect. Not only architect, senior architect, or a lead architect, or a principal architect. Likewise, different levels are there, but I just generalize the architecture. And there's computer programming, obviously, because computer programming is mandatory. You can join as a software programmer and move towards programming concepts. And web application development. Now, what is web application development is your software is optimized for web based applications. That means your application is running well with internet connection. It might be browser based. That means your application is running using a browser, web browser, Chrome, Firefox, or IE, or Safari, or whatever a browser. Or it might be some sort of application that is consume internet data, or your data is in some another location and it requires to access some server, some place that store the data. Server means a place, and it supports to the work of the software. Think like that. For now, that is the web application development. It's hosted in a web server. Like that is web application development. Now this is very vast area. Web application development mainly focus with the user interaction, very worth job role, user experience, and user interface design. And the same way, programmers are involved. Back again, software engineers are develop the middle component or the logics, and there are backend or the database developers too. And the other one is mobile application development. This is another branch of software development. Mobile application development is mainly optimized for mobile devices, mainly focused on location aware applications. What's the meaning of location aware application? Means your software should run without a specific location, or you just do not want to sit in a place and work with your software. I will give an example. If you are using your Google Maps, you should travel throughout your application is running. It's a good application for location aware. That means it identifies where you are, then it starts with the application to be run. But nowadays, many standalone applications and web applications do have a mobile application version too. Right? Many applications do have a mobile application too because of the very busy schedule. People would not able to sit in a place, but all the time they do have their mobile phone in their hands. They would directly work on that.